On the last adjourned date, I was the lead counsel to Justice Crack.
Justice Crack lawyer is Professor Sam Amadi.
All right, my people, listen up, right? Unfortunately, Justice Crack was not released today. Reason being that, according to Peter, his lawyer, Sam Amadi, who is working on the case with Marshall, was absent. So he sent another lawyer, Femi Balogu, to come and represent him. They started working together, Femi and Marshall's, even though Marshall considered Femi his junior in the field, right? But the problem started when the judge asked them, who is the lead lawyer?
On the last adjourned date, I was the lead counsel to Justice Crack. But unfortunately in court today, another lawyer, who obviously was my far junior, appeared in court and said he has instructions of some persons to lead or to represent Justice Crack. And I said, well, that's okay. You know, he has a right to representation. I said, that's okay. He has a right to representation. But I've been hearing, you know, some rumors. Although he never approached me before the court proceedings commenced. He waited till the moment of appearance to say that if another lawyer is in a matter and I intend to proceed to take over such a matter, the duty of me is to approach that other lawyer. I said, I have instructions of so and so to proceed with this matter. I didn't just come into this matter on my own sole motive. It was the wife of Justice Crack that reached out to me to represent her husband when the husband was seized in Abuja here. It was on that basis that I took up this matter pro bono. I have never taken a kobo from anybody in respect of this matter. He did not approach me. He just stood up in court and appeared and announced his appearance. And he just said, this is not the procedure. The last time Marshall led these proceedings, according to legal standard, this is not the procedure. The last time it was Marshall that led in these proceedings. Why are we having it here today? He said he has instructions of some persons to appear for the defendant. And I told the judge, just say, well, Marshall, now you have a choice. Are you going to withdraw your appearance, which is the normal thing to do in such a matter? And I said, well, my lord, in view of what has transpired, I respectfully withdraw my appearance with my colleague who appeared with me. And once you withdraw an appearance in a matter, the consequential orders must be made, which includes every process you file in that matter goes with it.
Let it be very clear, I have been with Justice throughout this issue. Justice's lawyer, Justice Crack lawyer, is Professor Sam Amadi. When he came to court on Monday, he had another engagement and he was not robed because we got information that he would be arraigned that morning. So he was not robed, but he was in court. So since he was not robed, he had to call another lawyer, Barrister Clement.